Welcome back to Mastering the AI channel. In this video, I'll share with you 8 tips and tricks that can improve your art and save time significantly using Leonardo.AI. In tip 1, I will guide you how to create consistent images from the prompt. Let us generate an image using the prompt as shown above. In that prompt, name of the boy was specified as Bill. Specifying name of the subject helps in getting consistent images. In the negative prompt, deformed and uneven is included to get better quality images. If we look at the generated images, we see that they appear very similar. Their facial features match and their hairstyle is close. So specify subject names for consistent images. In the tip 2, we will see how to change appearance of the subject while keeping rest of the image same. Sometimes it happens that we create an image, but it represents different ethnicity than what we want. This issue can be solved easily by just changing the name of the subject. For example, we created a subject named Bill, but we want a Chinese character. For that, we go to the website as shown in the address bar, and find the right ethnicity. Then, we pick a name from that ethnicity list. For example, we pick a name by for our subject Bill, and replace that with by. After replacing, we regenerate the image. I will only generate one image only to save my tokens. Now if we see the new image represents the ethnicity that we want. Rest of details are more or less the same. This method is very helpful and can be used in several ways. In this tip, we will learn how to keep image consistent for different actions. Most times, we need the same subject in different actions such as running, standing or sitting, and if we regenerate the image by changing prompt only, that sometimes does not help. For example, we change the prompt and we want subject to be running instead of standing. If we compare the previously generated image and the new image, the appearance of both subjects does not quite match with each other, as you can see. They appear to be different persons, so we cannot use them as a same character. This issue can be resolved by using image-to-image option that is a built-in option in Leonardo. In order to use the image-to-image option, we need to upload the previously generated image using the upload option on the left side of the page. Let us upload the image. After uploading the image, we regenerate the modified prompt. If we now compare the generated image with the image that we created before, the new image that was created using the image-to-image method is much closer in appearance. This trick can be very handy in several applications. In tip 4, we will see how to adopt a pose from an existing image. Before we move forward, I will appreciate it if you can please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. In some cases, we want a specific pose, but want to make some changes in the subject or a different subject. It can be achieved by using the pose-to-image option available in Leonardo. After uploading the image, go to ControlNet and select the pose-to-image option. There are 2 more options as well that will be explained in the upcoming videos. After uploading the image and selecting the pose-to-image, make changes in the prompt or write an entirely new prompt depending on your needs. In our prompt, we only add long hairs to the existing prompt and regenerate the image. Let us wait for the image to be regenerated. It generates new images with the same pose that was uploaded, but the subject has been modified that can be seen by comparing. A completely new subject can also be generated that I will leave to you to explore. In the next tip, we will learn how to regenerate a portion of an image. The AI-generated images sometimes have deformation in certain parts of the body, as we can see the left hand of the subject in this image. We like the rest of the image except that specific part, and want to improve the deformed portion. That can be achieved in Leonardo by editing the image in the canvas. Click on the mask icon on the left-hand side of the image, and mask the portion that you want to improve. After masking, give the prompt and regenerate the image. That will take a few seconds, so please bear with me. With this method, the regeneration happens only in the masked portion and creates 4 images. You can accept the one that otherwise, can cancel and regenerate. In this tip, we will quickly see how to remove background in the image. In some cases, the AI-generated images have background that does not match with the overall theme of our graphics, and we want to remove the background and only want to keep the subject. It can be obtained easily by simply clicking the Remove filter in Leonardo, as being done here. Please note that the removing filter consumes 2 tokens. If you have access to another software, you may consider removing background there that can save your tokens. Filter removing process has been completed. We can check that by clicking the No Filter option, and as you can see, there is no background. Tip 7. Outpainting. In some cases, we create an image, but later want to extend that image. That can be achieved in Leonardo by using the snap option that is on the left-hand side of the screen. After positioning the box on the image, write the prompt was used to create the same image and start generating the image. It is important that the image is extended in small increments for the better quality. Once one portion of generation is completed, then you can move the box to generate the next portion. Similarly, you can keep generating and produce amazing arts. Please note it is important to leave most of the box on the image. That also improves the quality of the image. The last tip is useful when we want to merge images together. Different images can be merged together in Leonardo through the snap option. First step is to upload both images in Leonardo and position them as it is being done on the screen. After uploading the image and entering the prompt, regenerate the image. As you see, the image has been merged perfectly. After that, move to complete the remaining portion in the same way. Thanks for watching.